in the wee hours of
Dr. Kiza Besigye's fate remains hanging in balance as the lead lawyer. I mean to say, the most active lawyer has been sentenced to 9 months, as you already know. And then one other thing is the president of Uganda Law Society, that is Ssemakadde, is trying to work a way out on how to try to intervene and bring in some positive outcome. Among things released yesterday that he talked about is he said he would like to try to find out what is actually going on wrong. His first step would be to first visit the victim who is already behind the bars and then do further investigation. But then critics have come from all corners, with also a number of people calling for protest. A good number of people have called for protest on this incident. A statement has now been officially released by Ssemakadde. Ssemakadde said for immediate release statement on cowardly protest announcements in Kampala, Uganda, January the 8th, 2025. The Uganda Law Society, ULS, categorically repudiates the cowardly attempts by certain individuals to provoke and manipulate our institution into sanctioning protest actions regarding the recent detention of one of our members. This deliberate misrepresentation, particularly through social media and self-proclaimed press statements, appear designed to guide the society into precipitous action outside our established institutional framework. As the statutory regulator of the legal profession, the Uganda Law Society operates through rigorous protocols and informed responses. Those self-seekers attempting to present their private initiatives as ULS endorsed activities or to portray the society as backing their personal agendas do a disservice to both the profession and our ongoing institutional efforts. The Uganda Law Society, or ULS, currently provides legal aid to protesters strictly on an after the fact basis, subject to resource availability and our members' voluntary participation. While we respect the court's constitutional right to peaceful assembly, we will not be pressured or manipulated into premature protests before event commitments or otherwise rash actions that could compromise our independence. The society maintains its commitment to protecting its members and resolving this situation through Section 10 of the Uganda Law Society Act, Cap 305, signed by Isaac Ssemakadde, the president of Uganda Law Society. So, in other words, he has distanced himself, or he has made it clear that Uganda Law Society are not participating in any protest, and the social media allegations calling for protest is something which Uganda Law Society or its leaders, including him, are not part of. Many people have been frustrated by the sentencings of Kiza Eron, the most active lawyer of Kiza Besigye, to 9 months imprisonment. This is something that has sent shockwave and scare across the judicial society of Uganda. Judges, consuls are scared of what could be coming after them in future in this kind of circumstance. Thank you so much.